Hello everyone! Today we're reviewing a Pardot landing page template. This particular template is minimalistic in its overall design. It also features a navigation menu to link important web pages along with an image placeholder to add your company logo. This title tag can include your main call to action and add any supporting details in the bulleted list. This page features a vertical form with placeholder text to further describe the call to action. There is also a section to add client logos. Further down the page, there is an additional area and image to describe finite details of your product or service. This landing page template also includes social icons to drive traffic to your social channels. Additionally, this landing page is fully optimized for mobile use. My name is Cynthia Rajendran, and I am the founder of Driptly.com. Driptly is a consulting firm that focuses on all things Salesforce and Pardot related. If you have any questions about this landing page or would like to customize your Pardot landing page, please email support@Driptly.com. I look forward to being of service.